Hello, this is Absolut Drinks, and I'm Rico. Today we're gonna make a classic vodka sour. Sours are the basis of most drinks. They all use the same formula of 2-1-1 to a certain extent. So we're gonna start with the sugar syrup, and we're gonna add just 15 mils. Now we're gonna wanna put a good 30 mils of this fresh lemon juice in. Next, Absolut Vodka, Absolut Original. A good, slug, responsible 45 milliliters. Next, Angostura bitters. 3, it's gonna give you this nice freshness, some clove essences. Basically, it smells and tastes like Christmas. One more ingredient, the egg. We're gonna stick some egg white in here, but we only want the egg white. So we're gonna separate into just some cups, crack it open, nice and easy. We only need about half the whites of one egg, straight in. This is just gonna give it that full body. Now we're gonna do the wet shake first. We're only shaking just to get the drink nice and cold. Get rid of that ice. Nice powerful shake there. This is really gonna emulsify everything. Ooh. Now we're gonna use a nice big block of ice. Make one big block of frozen water. It's quite easy. Stick stuff in the freezer. And then let's get this in. Ooh. Vegetable peeler, lemon. Let's get all those oils in. Always get down and make sure you get all the oil sprayed all over that drink. We're gonna stick a lemon wedge in and one cherry on top. There we go, guys. The vodka sour, super simple. Very good. Nom 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 nom.